car stinks. I haven't driven it in a while. Dude, I forgot to put the headlight on. So, I don't know if you want to cruise anywhere. Put the slips back on it.
Huh?
Put the slips back on it.
What?
On this?
What's
The wheels.
those?
No, you put the slips on here.
Oh.
You had the K1s. So what you been up to?
Working, bro.
I got all the people commenting, all the gay guys commenting that they miss you.
Shut up.
I mean, that's really,
Looks pretty, huh?
that's pretty nice. I mean, right here, obviously, you know. So
You
what?
should see the one on there, dude.
When'd you start welding?
Fuck, maybe a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, it's not bad. What are you doing
I
tonight?
just can't get consistent, dude. That's the only problem.
Oh, like,
Like, I can't do the same thing twice. Like, I'll do it once, and then the next time I'll just burn holes through it, dude.
dude, the first time I used the welder, I like, you know, because you gotta like kick the pedal. I kicked it like all the way, and it just torched right through it. That's
That
when,
was just way too hot.
yeah. Oh, it was really low.
See how low it is?
Oh, shit.
I don't have any pies, dude.
Is that what you need?
Yeah, I need to make pies so I could have curved it up.
Did you weld this? Those are your welds, right?
I just welded it.
It doesn't look bad. It's just really low. Damn, dude, almost ate shit. Trying to get up.
I put the shitty ass flex pipe on there at an angle, like not even on all the way. So I can get it to fucking go back up.
Just do a hood exit.
It's too loud, dude.
Yeah, it is pretty loud. So I'll give it a shot, see if I can cut straight. Is that what you want me to do? Try to cut it straight?
Your sexuality.
That's not gonna happen, buddy. Never, ever. Got the CRV table. It holds like 20 pounds.
Yeah,
You got it overloaded quite a bit. It's all right though. How much was all this stainless?
Each 4-foot pipe is $50.
Oh, okay.
So I have 2 pipes, flex bellow, and a V-band.
Oh, okay.
I didn't even use the flex bellow though. These are pretty sick, dude. I didn't use it because it wasn't gonna give me what I needed. But they just
Pretty stiff.
But you can see inside it's 2 pieces. And
Oh, and it like kind of moves.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
Sick.
it's not like that mesh shit, so it won't break.
All right. I'm gonna try the grinder first.
You want to?
Yeah.
All right.
Give me- So the union, so in Washington State, they're gonna quit drug testing. This guy's talking about some dudes smoking weed and climbing scaffolding. Yeah, I wouldn't do that, dude. Ain't no way, buddy. It's a good way to
It's
die.
gotta be straight like that. There was a factory.
Did you make a stream? Oh, that's pretty good.
This is how it is.
Do you cut this? Oh, that's just. Oh, that ain't good. You gotta.
This is how it is, like from.
Dude, do you have a file? What's this thing? Dude,
For what?
The file, like to deburr the metal.
That's what this is.
Oh, is that what this
And
is?
I also have a fucking belt sander.
How do you deburr with this?
Just cut it. I'll show you.
Okay.
What the fuck did you just do?
Thing's being a little bitch.
You turned it off.
It looks crooked, buddy.
Is it really?
I don't know. It doesn't look terrible. It's kind of like going that way a little bit. It's coming out decent.
What did you do? Oh shit.
I feel better now. Alright. Dude, look at that.
No, it's fine.
I'm gonna. Where's that sharp?
Imaginary line.
Imaginary line?
Yeah.
Like my imaginary dick. There we go. was straight. Not bad. Freehand with the grinder. You can see it's not perfect. Wait a minute. Nice glare right there.
So what grit you think would be best?
For what?
What grit you think would be best? 50, 80, and 120.
120.
You have a fucking... You'd be good at it. I know you would.
Think so?
Yeah, because I just can't understand it in the videos.
I might try it. I gotta get a TIG welder now. Or I want to get a MIG welder so I can like weld my old drag shit. It's like doing a timing belt, huh? The B-Series timing belt right here. This thing's loud. It's loud like that weed that I smoked. Alright. About to do some pie cuts. Maybe look some stuff up. You can't find out if you don't around though, right?
Yeah.
Going to Home Depot?
Home Depot.
About to pick up
H-O-N-E-D-E-P-O.
about to pick up a couple of workers, huh?
We're gonna hire some Mexicans to cut it for us.
They just pop out again.
They didn't do that until I put the turbo kit on. I think like the drain is hitting the cables.
No.
I don't know.
Here goes a Dodge Challenger
Where?
on the trailer. You should roll into it. Roll into third.
Oh, in the third, it's gonna spin.
Really? Roll into roll into fourth. When you were back there, I can tell it was about to start going. Or whatever, I guess.
I've been missing it all day today. This is yours. I haven't drove in like 3 weeks.
Dude, last time I drove the sedan was at IFO. Like 2 weeks ago. I started the, when I went to Subway like last week, but I didn't really get to drive it because we was cutting. How fast are you?
I don't know. That better sounds better in 4th gear.
It sounds better in a K series, period.
Right there.
Hit it. Oh, the M1? Is that what that is? It's an EE, it's a coupe. I don't know if it's an M1. Oh shit, here we go. Dude, can I get out and film?
Should I hit it hella hard?
Dude.
No, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I'll get out of the car. That wasn't bad.
What I mean?
Well, we can just go home and go to your house, turn the ignition cut and fuel cut on. That's what does it.
You know what it does on it?
What?
You know by chance how much you put it in?
I mean, you should just be able to go to your, at least for the B series, you should be able to go to the launch control settings and just enable the fuel and ignition cut. I don't know, like degrees wise, I don't know. I mean, you're probably gonna go through this. I don't know. I've never messed with K-Tune or K Manager or whatever that shit is. It smells like brakes. Clutch.
Yeah, it's probably close.
Alright, we're at Walmart. steal your car.
Holiday parts. Should I walk this bike in?
You should. Walmart. They don't sell fish anymore. What the hell?
Oh, here we go. Okay, here it is.
Alright, need these unlocked. About to huff these.
Is it really? Oh.
It's all, dude, we're in a tweaker ass Walmart, dude. Everything's locked up, even the baby formula.
Oh, yeah. That shit's locked up everywhere nowadays.
It's a Biden tape.
There's no fucking way, dude.
It's a Biden tape. There's. Do you need that? This might actually be better for me. I'm gonna get this one. I'm building shelves for my kitchen.
Are you?
Yeah. I need a race seat. I need a Recaro. Clorox.
Look. Oh, this shit.
Chemical guy.
Where's that? We don't have it no more.
Synthetic quick detail.
We used to have this fucking Cerakote.
Hey, what are you doing tonight?
Nothing. Going
What
to
the
bed.
fuck?
I know you do. You eat ass. You just wanted to find someone that does it too, so you feel better about yourself.
You let a tranny suck you up?
Huh?
You let a tranny suck you up?
A lady boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't make me gay, it makes them gay.
Would you suck up a tranny?
No. You probably would.
Yeah. Hey, what are you doing tonight, for real? Let's cruise.
I don't know if I want to, man.
Why not?
This car is...
I would have done that.
Dude, fucking buggers, dude.
The weld?
Yeah.
Can you, maybe you should re-weld it.
I would.
So you're saying does that pies?
Better just fucking buy them.
Yeah, I know, it probably would, dude. I would.